People worry that the Jeep Wheel Spacers will cause wheel vibration. In fact, wheel spacers do not cause vibration. If there is a sure sign of vibration, it is highly recommended to have any inspection. The fittingness of the Jeep Wheel Spacers and the tightness of the lug nuts are the two first factors you should focus on. If you do everything right, there should be no vibration problems. Most wheel vibration problems are balanced on lug-centric Jeep spacers. A lug-centric spacer means that there is a larger hole in the center. The lug holes are also made larger to fit a variety of vehicles. Without a tight fit, these spacers are only centered on the vehicle hubs by the wheel studs. If you use these cheap spacers, there is a high risk of the wheel vibration. In this case, well-manufactured hub-centric Jeep wheel spacers will be the easier solution. As long as you use quality Jeep wheel spacers and install them properly, they are very safe and reliable for off-road use. Since the wheel stud and the lug nut use a clamping force to secure the Jeep spacers and wheels. If the wheel stud or lug nut are not strong enough to support this force, they will likely be bent by road impact. The included wheel studs of the BONOSS Jeep Spacers are made of the high-strength forged SCM 440 aluminum steel. They have reached ISO standards grade 12.9 with high strength. Your Jeep Spacers can withstand more forces without breaking. Hub-centric Jeep wheel spacers keep the wheels centered and balanced on the vehicle hub while driving. After the spacers and wheels are properly tightened, the hub-centric rings cover the gap between the center holes of the wheels and the vehicle hubs. Thus, hub-centric Jeep wheel spacers are important because they ensure that the wheels are perfectly secured to the vehicle. This helps to prevent any kind of vibration problems. BONOSS Jeep spacers are designed with superior multi-stage hub-centric rings. The hub-centric middle ring is machined to be multi-layers, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub flange, eliminating any possible gaps. They are also precision CNC machined to a tolerance of 0.02 mm. This improves the fit and functionality of the spacers. Since Jeep wheel spacers are components that contact other parts, you absolutely need tight tolerance.
If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link in the description. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.